The holy cornbread has returned. So we got our brisket cooking, and now I'm ready to start on the side dishes that are going with it. I got the cornbread here. I've got some regular corn, because why not? Extra corn for everything. And then we have like our toppings for the end. But one specific side dish was kind of neat, so I wanted to try this one out. This is asparagus and tomato feta salad. Is that how you pronounce that? Feta cheese. Anyway, this is a basic version. There are several versions of this that have like bell peppers and onions and other stuff in it, but this one is bare basics, just asparagus and tomatoes. One difference I did make, they usually call for cherry tomatoes, but I instead chose grape tomatoes because I'm not a very big fan of tomatoes by themselves. So grape tomatoes are a little better because first of all, they're smaller than cherry tomatoes, so I'm not getting like a whole mouthful of tomato at once. And also, I get more of them. There's like 10,000 of them in here, so it works out. I get a little better ratio. So yeah, the only thing we need to do is we need to halve the tomatoes and then get our asparagus ready. So let's do that. And because I forgot, the total cost for all of this, just for the tomato and asparagus salad, was $11.86. Nothing too important here. I'm just cutting these up and then throwing them in the bowl. You didn't see that. I'm still not sure where we're supposed to cut the ends off of these, but like, what even? So at this point, our goal is to just add a 2-to-1 ratio of olive oil and balsamic vinegar. The recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic, but that looks like a lot here, and I'd like to cover all of them, so I'm just going to do my usual yeet, and then just kind of stir it up. But this is also where I add salt and pepper in too. As usual, the recipe wanted me to put them on a baking sheet and then stir to combine. But why? Why do that? There's too many. So the one downside is that this recipe was in British and I don't know what a Celsius is. So I'm just guessing 400 degrees and we'll see how long I need to bake it for. I'll see you in a bit. Hopefully this doesn't end in disaster. The last step is adding the feta cheese, but that's easy. How much are we supposed to add? I don't know. Enough.